Hey, Dave Oliveira here. Wanted to go over talking about message delivery and ensuring that messages sent from the DataMotion platform get received by your recipients. The reason why for that is when you are using DataMotion, you're using a third party service, which is DataMotion, to send mail on behalf of your domain. What happens is when you email from the platform without adding this DNS record, which we'll talk about here in a second, basically other mail filters will think you're spoofing a message, right? And it technically is. You're sending on behalf of DataMotion, or excuse me, DataMotion sending behalf of your domain. So what we need to do, and this is mostly for the IT administrators out there, is we need to edit the SPF record and we need to add DataMotion's IP, which is right there that I just highlighted. Basically, what this does is it's authorizing the domain to send on behalf through DataMotion, and that way mail filters will be happy. And you won't have folks saying, "Hey, I never got your message," because you would have passed the check. So, in this is for the IT administrators again. In your DNS, wherever you use your DNS at, you would go in there and have a text record that's called your SPF record, right? And I'm just choosing some friends over at this. This is all public information here too. So, but what they did is they were having issues with mail deliverability, and so we just had to have them add DataMotion's IP to their SPF record, which essentially authorizes mail to come from that domain through DataMotion servers, and everybody's happy. The SPF records check out, and mail won't get blocked. So I just wanted to make a quick video going over that and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.